How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the Google Chrome browser over here. And all you need to do over here is just tap on the search bar. And as you tap on the search bar, just search for Google support over here. So just search for Google support, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see the Google help option. So just tap on the issue of phone number. Can't verify the phone number. So here you can see, first of all, you need to check your phone number over here to make sure that your phone number was entered correctly with the right country code. Then secondly, you need to check for a good Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next, check that you can get SMS text and then request a new verification code. After that, you can just try fixing the app. You can just uninstall and reinstall the application and restart the device as well by making a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.